Welcome to Clever. So you should be able to get to Clever from your Monmouth Regional website. And then once you get to Clever, you're obviously going to log in with your Monmouth Regional account. So I'm going to log in as a teacher. And then it should take you to your Clever homepage. Once you get there, you're going to find Canva. Go ahead and click on it. Your password for Canva should be the same as your Monmouth Regional password. When you get to Canva, if you've used it before, you'll see that you can make different designs like Instagram posts or presentations, things like that, posters, and you can use any of those, but they also have a presentation, so you can feel free to use that, or you can use literally anything, but for our purpose we'll go to presentations. So again, just like slides, you have different backgrounds and templates you can choose from, and you're welcome to do that, or you can create your own presentations by adding your own elements, right? Just dropping them in, sizing them however you want, uploading your own pictures. These are different pictures I've already had in my computer that I uploaded to Canva, so you would have to upload media right here. Okay, and once you do that, you would take it from your computer. So same process as saving it from Google. You could go to their photo bank, and anything without the crown on it you can use. So like this could become your background if you wanted it to. You could size it that way. I'm sure there's probably another way you could do it, like as background, right? Over here. So you could do all that. You could do your text. You could add your own text as a heading. You could use text template. So I could use this, put it here, and size it. Double click it when I want to change it. All that fun stuff. Styles. This changes the styles of my colors, my fonts. If I want to add different charts, here's more, different emojis, Google Maps, if I want to drop anything in. And then if I want to animate, this is my animate tool. Okay, so I would click this, I want it to bounce. Now it bounces. It's beautiful. If I wanted to, let's see, crop something, edit an image is up here. And what else? It's pretty self-explanatory after that. Oh yeah, if you wanted to add a page, you're adding your page down here. And then again, you just go through that same process. Are you on the same template? What are you using? Okay, so adding as many pages as you want, and of course you can still add things from outside. That's also add a page. This is duplicate page, this is trash. Okay, fade if you want to fade the presentation, so you can play around with that. I don't think it has as much capability for inserting links or videos, but it does make really pretty presentations. So you do have that. And then when you want to save, you go to share. You can save that way. You can send it to somebody. You can download it. Present it. Email it. That whole thing. So that's about it. Enjoy.